Welcome back. I have filled my Excel file, my fruit and vegetable shop data set with a random set of entries, and I've made sure that it is quite random so that it is fun to deal with. And let's begin with total. Uh, what we want at total is the sum of the cells starting from C4 horizontally till H4, C4 to H4. And the way to do is select the cell you want to show the total in. The first input from your keyboard must be equal to sign. This immediately tells the Excel that now I am entering a formula, and the Excel is ready to deal with formula right now. And then you say you want to add cell C4. You click on C4, then press plus D4 plus E4 plus F4 plus G4 plus H4. And now you can see that each and every name of the cell C4 plus D4 plus E4 is in a different color. Like for example, C4 is in color blue, and both the cell is highlighted in blue color and the cell name. And when you press enter, it's 41. 7 plus 10 17 plus 9 26 plus 9 35 plus 5 40 plus 1 41. Yeah, that's total. It's correct and it shows 41. Now when you click on the cell containing the total, at the formula bar you can see the formula being used. If you double click it, it will show the formula and clearly highlight the cells that has been used in the formula. You could have used say in the place of E4, you just highlight E4, and you could have used E5 or E6, I don't know, and then press enter. And when you see the total, you can clearly see what is wrong. Oh, I was doing the sum of elements along the row 4, but all of a sudden I see there is an element from row 6. That's an error and I want to correct it. To rectify the problem, you select the cell you want, that is, the color will help you to guide you to the cell name that is wrongly placed, and you make the correction back and press enter. That's it. On the next video, I'll be showing you using how to use AutoSum.